myself. My name is Media Sama Kamelia. I am from class 632B39 majoring in accounting with name 63250994. I want to present my English project assessment 1 about general direction is understanding inside the computer and hardware. Let's get into the definition of computers. What is computers? The next topic is how a computer operates. Next, we will discuss data and information. Next, we will go into the main components of computers along with examples. We go into the primary operation of the computer. In the computer, there are four basic operations described in the computer. And operation of computers, and one input and two processing, and three output and three-nya store. Input entering data into the computer, and processing performing operation in the data, outputnya presenting the data, and store-nya itu saving data, programs, and output. We will go into the material on data and information. The definition of data is user input to a computer is data like raw material before data processing, and then data may relates and even transaction, image, song, document. Data is also refers to in process information. And then definition of information is when data is processed into meaningful format by specific is program becomes information. Information is also now result. And then example data and information: student admission form. At time of submission, college required student data like name, age, previous history of education, certificate, picture, and signature. When admission, department process in their system with some specific to program or student enrollment software. After successful student get admission and issuing student ID card. Student ID card is information of student. Primary components of a computer include the core hardware that enables the system to run. And component of computer is CPU atau brain, motherboard, RAM atau short-term memory, and then store atau SSD atau HDD, and GPU atau graphics, and power supply or power. This component work together to process data and product output supported by input device such as a keyboard or mouse. Next, we go into input device. In input device, there are 5 categories in hardware. Example of input device are keyboard, mouse, microphone, digital pen, joystick, scanner, touchscreen, and fingerprint. So we go into the 3 categories. Now, output device. The output device again processes data from CPU and present the result to the user. Example of output device are monitors atau LCDs, plotter, cell phones, printers, speaker, and projector. Next, we go into the second category, named processing device. Example of processing device are motherboards, RAM, power supplies, processor, VGA cards, and casing. Next, we go into the 4 categories, named store device. And then store device are used to store data like input data, processing software, and generic result output. Example the store device. And then device are HDD, DVD drive, floppy drive, zip drives, type drive, USB, DVD, zip disk, and tape cartridge. Example of internal hardware include the motherboard, CPU atau processor, RAM, graphics card atau GPU, and stock devices such as HDD or SSD. And example of external hardware include external hard drivers, USB flash drivers, printer, keyboard, mic, monitors, webcams, and speaker. The next material is about the types of hardware. Hardware types are divided into 2, namely internal and external. We go into the last atau the 5 categories. Then communication device. And communication device allow user to communicate electronically with other, access remote information via internet from home or school or company or computer network. Example my communication is our modems, DSL or ESDN, wireless modems, Wi-Fi, and AC, wireless USB, mobile, and Bluetooth. Conclusion we can draw from the material above is basically computer hardware is all the physical stuff you can actually touch. If the computer was a human body, the hardware work with the bones, brain, and muscles. The most important part inside the box is the motherboard, which casts light, obliquely connecting and everything. Then we have the CPU as the brain that does all the thinking, and RAM as the short-term memory to help the computer work it. For keeping our files safe for a long time, we also stock light on SSD or HDD. In short, all these part must work together perfectly. Without hardware, software, apps or games will have no harm to run on. Understanding this help us know how devices actually work and how to take care of them. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.